Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that comes from the website Scanandclean.xyz. This is a deceptive website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The website claims to be related to some decent security program, but it is not related to it. The website also displays pretty scary messages trying to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Typically, all these pop-ups may be the result of some adware-type program to be enabled in your computer. If you mistakenly click on the Proceed button, you may be brought to some other shady websites that may promote some potentially unwanted programs. So if you ever see these pop-ups by the site Scanandclean.xyz, don't interact with them. First thing you could do, and you should do, is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find something suspicious you don't remember installing directly, get rid of it. We finally recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, download the installer, start the program, and begin researching your device with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.